Don't get the top one. Let's see, it's only $13.48. And you get what? 49 pieces.
So
This is kind of like the style that you want. It's a different style. They have this one. Which one you like? Okay. So get that one. What is that? Glasses? She's so cute. Oh, I could get one of these mugs. Hello Kitty. Oh, one I could put in. Good for the plot. Oh, Pennywise. Okay then. I think I got Pennywise in here. Huh. Hey, Eeyore. What? Tigger. Oh. Oscar the Grouch. Oh, this is cute. I don't know if I want it though. Set. This is really cute. Let me make up my mind, Jeremiah. What do I want? What do you want, Jeremiah?
AirPods.
You said all you wanted your AirPods?
Yeah.
A big old pool. Oh, yeah. 18 feet.
Summer.
Kool-Aid. Yummy. Where are the picture frames? That's what we came in here for. I'm getting other stuff. Oh, can't see it have. Look at little packs of washcloths. Okay. I don't feel like walking all the way down there, but okay. Oh, this is a pretty color. Ooh, I like. It's so beautiful. Oh, look, and it's beautiful. It says beautiful. $7. I like that color. Ooh, the color hits. And they have the bath rug. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, that is really pretty. $15.82. Ooh, that's really nice. That is that. Who is that for? Okay. Oh, they have the bluey for the kids. The girls and the boys. And the plushes. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Okay, Barbie. Oh, that's cute. I would like to get that for Chelsea when she was little. You want that, Jeremiah? You want me to get just that Spider-Man boot? Huh?
Yeah.
You want it? Oh. Stop messing with you. Okay. Yeah. Here's what I came for. Let's see the prices on these. It's either here or Dollar Tree. Okay, so they are $2.82 in here. I need to put my daughters and sons photos, military photos in a frame. I'm going to check Dollar Tree because they have some cute ones in there sometimes. I need an 8x10 roll back. Oh yeah, that's cute. Well, we're gonna check. And they have the white one up there for $2. A wood one. What they got? What they have in there? Let's see. Well, that's a nice one. How you like that one? Is that Ozark Trail or Black Light? That is cute. That is nice. It's just nice. Oh, that's tiny. Oh, a McLaren. McLaren.
Oh,
What's that?
this is probably fun.
A Yamaha Raptor.
What phone case?
Not yours.
Oh.
Where are these for? Like little kids?
Probably.
Mm.
I don't see the age.